Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video or this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have some cases from CASETiFY to review for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you haven't seen CASETiFY before, or you are new to them, they have tons of cases for the iPhones. They have tons of cases for the Z Fold 4 and other Galaxy phones. They have so many different designs. You can custom make your own. There's many different colors involved. But if you go to CASETiFY.com/ForbesTech, you can save 15% off of your order. I will have the links in the description. Make sure you go there, help out the channel. But here's the beautiful iPhone presentation from them, top notch. Again, CASETiFY.com/ForbesTech. Let's see if I can get in the box. So, my daughter picked out a cow print case, which is pretty cool. Look at that. You gotta love the design. You gotta love the design in there. And it has MagSafe in there too. So, let me put this on the side. And then, the other case that we got sent is the stars. Again, I think that's pretty case design. Again, there's so many designs you can go with. So let me peel off this and let's get the review going. Like we normally do, we'll check out and make sure everything lines up, fits well, can you wireless charge. But right here it says this case is made from recycled phone cases. That's pretty cool. You can see the red design in there for the bumpers. Let's start with this case. The stars are actually, you can feel the stars on there. Nice fit. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You do get lip protection all the way around. The cutouts line up. The alert slider is easy to get to. The power button, as you can tell, is easy to press. The volume rockers are easy to press too. Man, what y'all think about this? This one that does not add much bulk to your phone. So it's not bulky, it's not a bulky case. But it has extra grip. This little back here, the cushion on the sides are kind of grippy, it's not really slippery. Now in the overall fit, man, that is a great fitting case, y'all. Great fitting case. Can you wireless charge and MagSafe? Yes, you can. And the magnet is strong too. I don't know why we do this in videos, but the magnet is strong on this case. All right, let's move on to the cow print. Let me get that one going. All right, so here's this case. It has the corner protection and cushion little things on the side. But then I also like how the inside, almost like a mirror type of thing with the MagSafe. The great thing about this one too, it doesn't really show in here too much. But what y'all think about that case? Which one? Which one? Yeah, like I said, you can pick up these cases from CASETiFY.com/ForbesTech. But let's take a look. So, do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Also, you get the cutouts line up good. The volume rockers are I mean, the alert slide is easy to get to. The power button is easy to press. I guess the buttons are very important to a case, right? When you're pressing it, you want to feel something, but you don't want it to be too hard. Again, the sides have like this extra grip there, so it's easy to hold it. I don't think you're going to really have problems dropping this case. Now, these corner protection things do add a little bit of bulk to your phone, but not much. I mean, it's not bad. So you could just see that how it will land in the corner and protect your phone. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. So those corner things really work out great. The overall fit, it fits really nice too. I don't know what y'all think about this one. Let's see if you can do wireless charging. And yes, you can. Again, the magnet is strong in here. You don't have to worry about it falling off. So if you want to do a little kickstand and still charge, I guess you can do that too. Bam. But if you want to pick up this case or this one or many different options, like I said, go to CASETiFY.com/ForbesTech. Get the 15% off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.